In the previous, hello students, in the previous video, we have seen how the seasonal model, how the time series forecasting is done. So you forecast the future sale based on the previous 3 years or three quartiles of the data. So you're forecasting it based on the type of the model. So we have used the automatic model over there. You can use the additive multiplicative without seasonal impact or with seasonal impact, and you can predict the future forecast. Now let's see another analysis of the same data. So I have already connected to the sales data, uh, existing Tableu sales data. Now let's talk about you want to find out the trend. Trend is what is a trend? Trend is the pattern which you are following, which you are getting for continuous period of time. So if you are getting it for continuous period of time, you may say that there is a trend of uh, increase in the pattern, increase in the sale as the profit increase, or in between sale and profit. So as or you may find a trend that if profit is decreasing, sale is also decreasing. So this is called a typical trend that we can predict from the existing data. So for this type of data, again, we have a sales data. So we will take the profit and the sales as two dimensions. So we'll take profit as one parameter and sales as another parameter. So it has taken this profit on x-axis and sales on y-axis. Now I want to predict, I want to find out some trend. If there is any trend or if there is any pattern, that a linear pattern in profit and sales, where if profit is increasing, sales also increase. If profit is decreasing, sales also decrease. So on which atom that I am going to predict? So I need to drag, let's say, order ID. So based on order ID, I can plot a graph. This is just a scatter plot where I am seeing the different products and the profit with respect to the sales on the x-axis. So you can find some from this graph, at least you can find some pattern, and that pattern it is following a linear pattern. So you are going to get a good fit line, but let us see what analysis that we can do with this. So go to analytics. In analytics, go to a trend line. So just drag and drop. So you can drag and drop. When you drag it over here, you will find five different options: linear, logarithmic, exponential, polynomial, and power. So let's select linear. So yes, just by selecting linear, I'm able to get the linear best fit line for this. So if you just move the cursor here, I'm going to get some equation. So linear pattern is what? You are going to get y equal to mx plus c. So your sales is your independent variable and profit is your independent variable, sales is your dependent variable. So I'm getting the equation is sales equal to 1.34281 into profit plus 381.838, means that you got y equal to mx plus c. So you got a slope as 1.34281 and constant as 381.838, and with the R square value 0.235 and p value which is a significant value and which we expect to be very very less, that 0.005, and we have got that significant value as less. So if the value is less, it means that whatever the line that we have found out is the best fit line. So with this linear option, I am able to get the equation. What if I want to change it to logarithmic? So you can go to edit. These are the five different models that you can choose. Go to logarithmic. Logarithmic takes the natural log. So see here, you get the natural log equation, sales equal to 341.862 into natural log of profit plus the constant. and with the R square value and the P value. Here also the significant value is less. So particularly this type of data is following some trend, and that's what you are able to get the quality data. Another option, I can take it as exponential. So exponential again give me the equation. So this is what I am finding the exponential curve where it is going to be increase exponentially. So if you see this equation, I am getting the equation as 126.438 into exponential value with respect to profit. So I am able to form the equation. I am able to get the value, predict the value of sales based on the profit value and its equation. And the estimated value, the P value, in all these three cases, three models, I am getting as less. Even you can use power function or polynomial function. So polynomial, you can choose the degree and then can plot this model prediction with this equation. So this is how you are able to apply all these different types of model, linear, logarithmic, exponential, for such type of data, and you are able to find a trend with this equation. If you want a further analysis, you can also go to forecast. Even you can show the confidence level. You can select up to 90 to 95 and then can get the different equations. Can describe a trend model. With the describe trend model, as we have seen in Python, we have seen in other tools also, it gives a describe summary, statistical summary of your model. So if it is a polynomial model, this is what the equation that we are going to use. These are the number of observations, number of records, even the missing values, the residual value, R square value, standard error. So all this information that you will get using this option. So describe trend model, whichever the model that you are going to use, just click on that and you will get the detailed analysis.